Hi guys, my name's Christian and welcome to my unboxing and short review of the snap-on 18 volt Monster Lithium cordless impact wrench kit. Now most of you guys watching this now probably already know how they work, already own a snap-on gun, and probably like myself own the previous version, the 8850, and are looking to upgrade to the next level. Well, this is what I did. I myself, I'm the owner of a tyre shop. I'm mainly mobile, so having a good, reliable tool is really, really important to me. My snap-on rep come around a couple of weeks ago. He says, have you seen this gun? You really ought to have this. And I had a quick look at it, and you know what? He did not need to persuade me. I seen it, I seen the reviews, and it was a no-brainer for me, really. And to be fair, I had the previous gun for over 5 years now. It's never really let me down. I think I've had to have it repaired once, but other than that, it's been a good gun. But you know, like you do, 5 years it's been hammered. It's had a lot of use. Gets used daily. You know, all weathers, all year round. I was ready for an upgrade. So yeah, no brainer. I went and got it, and for me now, what I want to do for you guys is literally just show you what you get, what's in the box, and give you a short review. So you know, and for you to see what you're going to get. If I've got anything to moan about this at all, is that I had to ask my snap-on rep to drop me a sock off. Now, protecting my tools is really important. Like I said previously, I have a garage, yes, but I'm mainly out on the road. And some of you guys, you might work in a workshop, in a tyre shop. So for you, having a sock might not be as important as it is for me. Another thing, which I was really annoyed about, well, not annoyed, probably a bit upset, a bit disappointed I should say, was it didn't come with a bag. It didn't come with a bag. Now, that I expected, because the previous gun, and if you guys have the 8850 you will know, in the box it come with a bag. This one did not come with a bag. So I had to ask my guy, my snap-on rep, to drop me a bag off. Now, he says, look, I'm sorry about that, it's not my fault, that's just how they are, that's how they come now, they don't come with a bag. So he gave me that one for free. I did have to pay a little bit extra for the sock. You see, for me that's really important, because being on the road all the time, yeah, I'm in and out of the van all the time, it rains, it snows, etc. It's important, given the amount of money you spend on these tools, to keep them safe. So for me, a bag and a sock is important. Like I said, if you work in a workshop, it might not be as important to you, because you probably will have a toolbox where you can keep it all in safe and what have you. But for me, these little things are really important. Now I'm going to grab the camera now and I'm going to show you what's in the box. So this is what the box looks like, and you can see the contents there, look. Your charger, the gun, and 2 batteries. And just to give you a quick idea, if you didn't know it already, what the previous box looked like. This is my old gun, the box. And as you can see there, look, it comes with a bag, which is why I was a little bit disappointed. Going back to the previous model, so there you go. It's the, as it says on the box, look, the 18 volt Monster Lithium cordless impact wrench kit. This is the 1/2 inch version. I'm going to just quickly grab the lid off and show you what's inside the box. So there you go, look. So yeah, these are the power cables for the charger. This is the Euro version. This is the one I need. So here's the battery. It comes with 2. I'm going to undo this one. Just give you tell you what this looks like. Come on. It's not very easy with one hand. So there you go. So that's the battery. Bit like on the 8850. So it's got your battery charge display there. Look. Just press that quickly. Yeah, so it's got one bar. Obviously it's brand new, and so there you go. It's a CTB 8187, 18 volt 5 amp lithium ion battery. Yeah, it comes with two of these like they always do, which is really handy. If you're using one, you can have the other one on charge, and then vice versa, just change them over as and when you need to. So there's the other battery. So that's the charger. Looks a lot bigger than the previous one. Yeah, so this is the dual charger. Now I don't know what tool that's for, that charger there. I have nothing to fit that. So maybe you guys watching, you know what that's for. If you can help me, just comment below and tell me what that one's for. I have no idea. I haven't got a clue. That is the one I'm interested in. That's for my gun. That's a charger for my gun. So that's all I need to know. But like I say, I haven't got a clue what that one's for. Yeah, there's all your, little light up logos telling you what's what when it's charged. That's obviously where you plug it in to your mains. So it's the CTC 131 battery charger. Yeah, nothing special there, just a basic blurb. Now then, it's got a USB charger on the front. That's new. I've never seen anything like that before. That can come in quite handy. Right, plug my mobile phone into that, keep it charged. Yeah, that's a little bonus, I suppose. Nice one. Put that over here. Yeah, there's the gun. Trying out and doing it with one hand. Yeah, that's yeah. It's also important to note these are now brushless compared to the previous. So this is, I think, the first time Snap-on's gone brushless, as far as I know, anyway. This is a very, very heavy gun. This is, I tell you what, this is really heavy. I mean, it's not even got the battery attached to it just yet, but this is a heavy gun. Now, I know you get used to things, like you do, like I did with the previous one. Even the previous one I found was a bit heavy, but this is really heavy. Really heavy. Wow. I mean, yeah. That is a heavy gun. Wow. Now, I'm going to attach a battery to it and just show you guys what it sounds like. 1 minute. Just put the camera back up here. Now, another thing it's got 3 settings on it. Let me just get the other battery. this one's got 1 bar on it as well. They're not very, the batteries aren't charged, so obviously I'm trying to find the best battery to show you. So it's got 3 settings on it. 1, 2, 3. So back to 1. 2. 3. Now if you notice the battery power light is lit up red, that's because there's not a charge left in it. It's down to 1 bar. It wants charging, so. But yeah, it gives you an idea, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3. It's fine, some charge up there. It's like lit up green now, look. Yeah. There you go. Let me know what you guys think. If you can give me any ideas on what that second charger port is for, that'd be great, because I ain't got a clue what that's for. Tell me your experience of the snap-on gun yourself. I mean, another thing which is really important, which I've not told you just yet, is this one is 900 foot-pounds torque, which equates to 1,220 Newton meters. Just in comparison, the previous one was 600 Newton meter. So if you're not careful, you can rip some nuts off of this. So it's another reason why having the different settings might become very important. Because on full power, if you're not careful, you can rip some bolts off, which is not too good, is it? There you go. Tell me what you guys think. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.